So, hello all, welcome to the Legal Lens channel. So, let's quickly get started with our today's topic. So, our today's topic is basically differentiation between the BNS and IPC. So, as you all know, that IPC has been replaced by our Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, that is called as BNS. So, when we talk about the BNS, we have total 358 chapters, 358 sections in it with 20 total chapters. But when we talk about the IPC, we have 511 sections in it. Okay, so BNS was initially being constructed by the idea was being given by the Amit Shah, and then the definitions in the BNS are written as in the alphabetical way. So clear and concise definitions have been written in one section only, while in IPC for different section we have different kind of definitions related to that case or related to that topic. So previously in IPC, when we have talked about, we have clearly in IPC it had contained the colonial era terms like king, queen. So now the BNS has abolished all the colonial era terms, and instead of that the state had been introduced, the word state had been introduced. Now anything which is related to the state, like suppose committing the crime or governmental, so state will be the word which can be used. So no specific punishment will be given as to attempt to suicide. Okay, so if by chance anyone commit attempt to suicide, so previously what happened in IPC, that attempt to suicide had certain kind of punishment, maybe for prison or etc. But now no punishment will be given. The punishment is abolished under this BNS. Instead, the community care will be given. Proper counseling will be given as to understand that why this suicide was attempted. Okay, so now no harsh and strict punishments will be there for offences, where areas limited provisions and offences was there for cybercrime. So now more stricter punishment will be given for cybercrime. So election offences are being introduced in the BNS. No special offences as such for the elections was written in the IPC. So clear and concise way, BNS is written in a clear and concise way, while IPC is little bit shattered. I mean, different definitions were there in each section and each chapter. So now definitions are written in one proper chapter and one proper section, so we don't have to worry. Now under the BNS, they decriminalize the adultery, which is adultery is the term which you use that when any man is having some kind of affair and sexual intercourse, still being married. Okay, so you are married but you have an extramarital affair related to any other woman. So that was that had previously adultery had punishment under the IPC, but now under BNS they had decriminalized the adultery. Now adultery is no more considered as a crime. So yeah, these all were the differences which we have discussed in detail. So let me know in the comment sections if you have any doubt, and which what do you like, I mean BNS or IPC. Do tell in the comment sections. Thank you. Have a nice day ahead.